Experiment number 5, that is load test on three-phase induction motor. So here the main aim of this experiment is to conduct a test on induction motor when motor is loaded to determine its performance characteristics. So here we are going to calculate different performance characteristics like speed versus output power, percentage efficiency versus output power, and power factor versus output power. So to conduct this experiment, different apparatus are required here like voltmeter, ammeter of given ratings here. Then we require two wattmeters. Then three-phase induction motor of 5 HP, 450 volt, 6 ampere, 1500 RPM. Then to vary the input voltage, we require three-phase auto transformer. So in this case, experiment, the induction motor is loaded to calculate different performance characteristics like torque, slip, efficiency, power factor, and so on. So here the motor is loaded and it is operated at its rated voltage and frequency, and it is loaded mechanically by means of brake and pulley arrangement. Now let us see the circuit diagram. So as you can see, three-phase input supply is given to three-phase auto transformer. Then by varying the three-phase input voltage, the input voltage is given to induction motor. Then there are two wattmeters we are using, then a voltmeter and ammeter. So let us see now procedure. So connections are done as per the circuit diagram, and before switching on the supply, ensure that the auto transformer knob is at a 0 position and the load on the induction motor is 0. Then switch on the three-phase AC supply and go on varying the three-phase auto transformer and bring the induction motor to its rated speed by applying its rated voltage. Then gradually go on increasing the load on induction motor, and at different steps note down the readings, meter readings. So as we can see in tabular column, so these readings are tabulated here: voltage, current, W1, W2, speed, and loading in kg, S1, S2. So at different load conditions, these readings are taken, and after taking the readings, so there is another tabular column where input power, output power, torque, different parameters are calculated by using the formulas given here. So by using these formulas, different parameters are calculated and they can be noted in this tabular column. And then by using these performance parameters, we can plot the graph of efficiency versus output power, speed versus output power, and power factor versus output power. So by plotting this graph, we can conclude this experiment.